Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Want to cook restaurant-quality fish right at home? Mahi Mahi is your secret weapon. This incredible fish is super versatile and cooks in a flash, making it perfect for those busy weeknights. It boasts a beautiful firm texture and a mild, slightly sweet flavor that's a dream to pair with various seasonings. With just a few simple steps, you'll be creating delicious, perfectly cooked Mahi Mahi dishes, impressing everyone at your table. Before cooking, proper preparation is key for fantastic flavor. First, gently pat your Mahi Mahi fillets completely dry using paper towels. This is crucial for getting that beautiful crispy sear later. Next, take a moment to trim any very thin belly portions or any visible bloodlines to avoid any overly fishy flavors. Finally, generously season both sides of the fillets with a good pinch of salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and your chosen spices, perhaps some smoked paprika or garlic powder. Pan-searing is a fantastic way to achieve a delicious crust and tender interior. Heat a heavy skillet, ideally cast iron, over a medium-high flame with a high smoke point oil until it's shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned fillets, skin side down if they have skin, into the hot pan. Sear for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, developing that gorgeous golden brown crust. Flip just once, cooking until the fish is opaque all the way through and flakes effortlessly with a fork. If you prefer a more hands-off cooking method, baking Mahi Mahi is incredibly simple and yields wonderful results. Start by preheating your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil a baking dish to prevent sticking, then arrange your seasoned Mahi Mahi fillets in a single, even layer. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time depends on thickness. The fish is perfectly cooked when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit and flakes easily. Once your Mahi Mahi is cooked to perfection, allow it to rest for just a couple of minutes before serving. This brief pause helps the fish reabsorb its juices, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Enhance its natural taste with a simple garnish. A sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro or parsley, a bright squeeze of lemon juice, or even a vibrant fruit salsa. Now, you're ready to plate up and savor your delicious, homemade Mahi Mahi alongside your favorite complementing side dishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.